Hey everyone, it's Anna and I've got another grocery haul for you. This week I went to Smart & Final, I went to Walmart, and then I made like a teeny tiny run to Safeway. Some demographic info if you've never watched my videos before. I currently live in Northern California. My household consists of 2 adults and 1 elderly dog. This time around I actually did go into stores. Here's what I got. So here's everything I got at Smart & Final today. I got 2 packages of bone-in chicken thighs because they were 99 cents a pound. We use a lot of chicken thighs. Sometimes we marinate and grill them. Sometimes we braise them. I'll probably end up vacuum sealing these and just throwing them in the freezer. Can of sauerkraut, that is for a video. Then I got a pack of buttermilk biscuits. That is also for a video. I had the hardest time finding these. It seems like Pillsbury has the market cornered here or something. You can only get those giant Grands biscuits in packs of 8. Like I couldn't find the little teeny tiny cheapy biscuits that I was specifically looking for because that is what I need for the recipe. A bag of kettle chips. So these are to go with some dill pickle dip that I am making. I filmed a video of that last summer, so I will go ahead and link that in the description down below. 5 pounds of russet potatoes, a dozen eggs, 2 pounds of ground beef. This was on sale for $2.99 a pound if you bought this larger package. A few pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast. This was reduced. All of the chicken breast actually was reduced like this. It needs to be used up soon, so I'll probably keep 1 pack of this in the fridge and then I'll throw the rest in the freezer. We were kind of low on some of the meats that I like to keep in the freezer, so this was a little bit of a stock up. You know I gotta have a treat. I got these little frozen chocolate satin pies. I do like to get these every once in a while. It's great if you just want a little something and you have a small household like I do. A couple of onions, 4 Persian cucumbers. I've really liked having these to snack on, or I also like to dice them up for salads. So this is, again, everything I got at Smart & Final. On this, I spent $38.91. I was pretty happy with that considering all of this meat that I picked up. Here is everything I got at Walmart today. Starting over here, I've got a case of Topo Chico. I wanted to get 2 of these because they had them for a really good price, like $9.98, and usually they're anywhere from like $12 to $15 a case, but I got the last one. This was all they had. Got some bananas. I just discovered that my Walmart does have a very, very small selection of fresh produce, and I'd forgotten to get bananas at Smart & Final, so I grabbed these. I didn't even check the price on them. When I got my receipt, I looked. They were 18 cents a pound. I paid 40 cents for all these bananas. If I could eat more bananas, I probably would have gone back for more, but this is probably more than enough for us. I got a big bag of charcoal and I got 2 cans of fire roasted diced tomatoes. I just like to have these on hand. I got 1 can of petite diced tomatoes. I just noticed they're Italian style. I kind of wanted them to be not Italian style, but they'll still work. This is also for a video. And then I got this teeny tiny baby can of crescent rolls. There's my hand for scale, like baby. It's 4 crescent rolls. I actually do like to grab those when I see them. They're not something I see all the time. It's great if I just want to make a small amount of something. Usually I don't eat them as crescent rolls. I'll make them into a little tiny vegetable pizza for myself or something like that. Oh my goodness. 2 Totino's party pizzas. I don't know why I like these so much. I don't know what it is. When I see those, I grab them too because they don't have them in all the stores here. So I got a couple of those. I spent $33.59. So I made 1 quick trip to Safeway. I don't typically do all of my grocery shopping at Safeway. A lot of times I will just run in there really quick if they have special deals for that week that I want to get. There's one really close to my house too, so it's not a huge out of the way trip if I do want to run in there just for a couple things. Normally I try to limit myself to like 2 grocery stores a week. These were too good of deals to pass up. 3 cases of Diet Coke and 1 case of Coke Zero. This was on sale. Buy 2 cases, get 2 cases free. Well, I have noticed that soda and pop, I've noticed that canned soft drinks, they have gone up a lot. I used to be able to get 4 cases of Coke for like $12 sometimes if it was, you know, summer or a holiday. They also had milk on sale for $1.99 if you clipped a digital coupon. So we were completely out, so it was perfect timing. I spent $22.35, and that includes the deposit on the cans here. That is something that we have to pay in the state of California that we didn't have to do in Ohio. This is my general meal plan for the week. I'm gonna take some of that chicken that I got on reduced sale and make that into the chicken parm. I am going to be trying Karen's recipe from In the Kitchen with Karen. I've also got burgers on here, hot dogs. Yes, hot dogs and burgers in the same week. We actually just have some hot dogs left from a previous week that we want to cook up. I made chicken tikka masala, and the recipe I use is an Instant Pot recipe, which is very excellent, and I will link that in the description down below. But it makes like twice as much sauce as you need on purpose, so then you can have it again with either chicken or whatever. I have some paneer in the fridge that I would like to use that with. I've got Detroit style pizza here. I often make Detroit style pizza. I mean, we probably have it once or twice a month. I've also got Texas style chili over potatoes. I just have some Texas style chili in the freezer that I'd like to get used up, so we'll probably end up having something like that, either over baked potatoes, roast potatoes. So that's about a week's worth of groceries plus a little bit of stock up for us. Did we stick to the meal plan? Mostly we did. We made the air fryer chicken parmesan and it was really delicious. We did grill burgers one night. We made hot dogs another night. So yes, burgers and hot dogs in 1 week. We're totally adults. So the paneer tikka masala ended up as a lunch for me. And then yes, I made pizza. Of course I made pizza. Pizza is one of my favorite foods probably, and I love making it. So usually if there's pizza on the menu, it gets done. The Texas style chili over potatoes, we didn't eat that, but that's just a freezer meal. So it's still in the freezer. It's not like I had ingredients to make it and they've gone bad. There was one day where I had some dental work done that ended up being a lot more intense than I had originally anticipated. That night for dinner was box mac and cheese. And then another night we met my brother and sister-in-law for dinner. I think it's important to keep a little bit of flexibility in your meal plans. Don't beat yourself up if you don't do every single meal. That's one reason I don't typically assign my meals to specific nights, because you just don't know what's gonna happen. I love watching other people's grocery hauls, so I hope you liked this one. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red button below. I post new content every single week. Thanks again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!